Hi everyone, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delkus. Quick update on October. It has been a really warm October. I don't think that's breaking news, but the average temperature to date is 78.9, so almost 79 degrees, and that's above normal by 7.6 degrees. So that makes it, at this point, the 5th warmest October to date. Highs above normal, well, we've had 13 of those days. How many days have we had low temperatures above normal? We've had 13 of those days as well. We've had 90-degree days. We've had 7 of those. And we average in the entire month, in all of October, our average is 3 to 4 90-degree days in the entire month. 3 to 4 90-degree days in 31 days. And so far to date, today I think is October 13th, so far to date, we've had 7. So certainly a warm one, and of course it's been a dry one. No rainfall today. We're below normal by a little more than 1.5 inches. I do have rain in my forecast, so I don't think we'll get into this category with an October with no rain, but we almost did it last October. We had about 1/4 inch of rain on Halloween morning. Prior to that, the entire month was dry. But only 2 Octobers on record, and records go back to 1898. Only 2 Octobers on record have had no measurable rainfall. That was October 1975 and October 1924. High today was another day well above normal. We were 9 above normal today. The high was 89, the normal's 80. The low this morning was a very warm 70. Still nice, but certainly warmer than the normal low of 58. The record low's 38 degrees back in 1977. The record high today, 97 degrees back in 1910. And there's those stats again for you. No rainfall today. There's the deficit for the month. And now we're in a deficit for the year. We're about 2/3 of an inch below normal for the year. We had, at one point, we had a surplus for the year. Not anymore. Okay, it's the planner, the way it looks as we head through the day tomorrow. We start tomorrow about 68 degrees at 10 in the morning, and winds will be light throughout the day. 10 in the morning up to 76. 1 p.m. 86 degrees, 4 p.m. 89 degrees, and by 7 p.m. tomorrow evening we drop to 83 degrees. Outside right now it's 82. We have a southeast wind at 10 miles an hour. We've had a little bit of cloud cover here in northwestern sections of North Texas, even a couple spotty showers out on the eastern sections of the rolling plains of Texas. For us here in North Texas, we have been clear. Had one little thunderstorm, one little severe thunderstorm down around I-10 between El Paso and Alpine right now. I-10 runs in this direction, of course, and one little thunderstorm that could be producing some quarter-size hail right now. A little bit of shower activity far west Texas, the southern portion of the panhandle. The rest of the state is just clear. And the weather pattern as we head through this week through Saturday, big ridge of high pressure stays in control. That means that what we had over the weekend, what we had today, upper 80s, touching 90, 91, that's what we'll keep through Saturday. Dry, warm, right through Saturday. But then the jet stream takes a dip to the south, and as it dips to the south, a cold front moves in, and on the backside of that cold front by Sunday, temperatures will be a little bit cooler, and we'll have a little bit of rain late day Saturday and Saturday night. Right now, cold front will pass through DFW about 6 p.m. on Saturday, and that means late in the day Saturday into Saturday evening, we could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. That front moves away, high pressure moves back in, and temperatures I'm looking at a high Saturday. Saturday's like 90 degrees. Behind the cold front, Sunday's high about 82, and then we warm back up to 83 or 84 in the couple of days that follow that. The rain on Saturday, it's not going to be much, and only about 30% of North Texas sees rain. Remember, 30% of us see rain. 70% of us won't pick up any at all, but the 30% of us that pick up some scattered rain, the amounts will be pretty light. A trace, 1/100 of an inch, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch. That's it. And temperatures as we head through this time frame, right through the rest of this week, there we are. We're above normal through Saturday. We're 12 above normal Saturday when we hit 90 degrees. Sunday's high, I said 82, it's 81. Sunday's high is 81. That's still 4 degrees warmer than normal behind a cold front. And it's a decent cold front. 68, that's the low tonight. Mostly clear skies, pleasant temps, light winds tonight. A light breeze tomorrow out of the east, 5 to 10, maybe up to 15. A sunny day, a dry day, a warm day. We hit 89 tomorrow. There's the 88 on Wednesday, 87 Thursday, 88 Friday, 90 in advance of that late day Saturday cold front. Here's your scattered rain. And then Sunday and Monday are dry. Highs those 2 days in the lower 80s. And then as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday, following that, we're back into the middle 80s. And then another little bit of a cool down with maybe a spotty shower or two the Thursday and Friday, October 23rd and October 24th. Maybe a spotty shower, but behind that system, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the 24th, 25th, 26th, and 27th of October, high temperatures cool off even a little more. High temps in the 70s. So today's normal high is 80, and by tomorrow, the normal high temperature is 79. But we stay above normal with our temperatures for about the next 10 days, maybe closer to normal or a tad cooler than normal the final 4 days of that 14-day forecast. Keep it here on WFAA Plus for the latest.